POPCAT and PNUT. This new coin $0.0009 entry could be your ticket to big wealth. In the fast-paced world of crypto, seizing the right opportunity can be life-changing. As the market accelerates into a bull run, a promising new coin emerges with an enticing entry point of just $0.0009. This could be a golden chance for those who might have missed the boat on previous meme coin sensations. Catzilla Rex Chaos, the meme coin for warriors of crypto. In a world where financial freedom feels out of reach, a new opportunity emerges. Catzilla. Born from the frenzy of meme culture and set for explosive growth, this is the meme coin investors have been waiting for. 14 stages, limitless potential. A legendary cat warrior with lives to spare, Catzilla offers you 14 chances to grab the power-packed Catzilla token before it goes public. Imagine leveling up your stash from stage 1 to stage 14, where your gains soar up to 700%. Catzilla evolves as the pre-sale progresses, bringing you closer to financial victory with every step. But beware, fellow warriors, the clock is ticking, and only the swift and the daring will secure their share of Catzilla's unstoppable might. Claim your share before Catzilla stomps the competition flat. Cats are taking over. Forget dogs, it's all about the meow money. The crypto world's gone barking mad for years, but now it's time for cats to claw their way to the top. PNUT and POPCAT are the latest feline sensations, proving that dogs might fetch headlines, but cats bring home the gains. PNUT, purring into the top 15 meme coins, this clever kitty pulled off a 103.7% climb in just 3 months. POPCAT, this one didn't just pounce, it soared, delivering a jaw-dropping 157.44% surge. These aren't just one-off flukes. Cats are on the prowl, staking their claim in the meme coin kingdom. And if you think PNUT and POPCAT are impressive, wait until Catzilla roars onto the scene. Forget chasing tails, this is where the real action is. The mission: smash the market. Rewrite the rules. Catzilla is here to destroy the old systems that hold you back. It's time to build a new world where you, the warriors of the crypto space, rise up and claim what's yours. With every stage of this pre-sale, the forces of profit grow stronger. Time is running out, and the opportunity to join Catzilla's army won't last forever. The profits are set to explode, and only those brave enough to seize this moment will see their gains rise like a true anime hero's power level.